Welcome to Carrie's Corner. Today I present my unboxing and review of the Tamron 70 to 180 millimeter f2.8 zoom lens. Let's check it out. Here we have the Tamron 70 to 180 millimeter f2.8 III VXD. VXD stands for Voice Coil Extreme Drive. It refers to the autofocus motor. Let's get the box open and have a look at it. Oh, on the outside we have a hologram sticker that indicates that it is in fact a US authorized lens and not gray market. Open it up and we have a little package of documentation, warranty cards, and instructions. Lens is well packed. With cardboard inserts to hold it. And inside the plastic baggie, we have the lens itself. There's a switch to lock the zoom. Undo it, then the zoom can be engaged. Doesn't appear to droop much. We have our lens cap, lens hood. Filter thread is a 67 millimeter. All right. There we go. Snaps right into place. And we have metal lens mount with a rubber gasket to seal it. Back on. The lens feels nice and solid in the hand. Zoom is quite smooth. The focus ring has a fair bit of damping to it. It's not directly connected. You turn it as far as you need to in manual focus mode. There's no manual stop on it. There are no focus distance marks on it. Construction does seem rather solid though. Seems to be a well-made lens. So let's go take some pictures with it. In this clip, I do a zoom from the 70 millimeter all the way into the 180 millimeter. Gets a little shaky as I zoom in. That's my bad technique, nothing on the lens. But as I do zoom in, the autofocus does a pretty good job of getting the toad's eye, and the background blurs out very nicely. This clip demonstrates both the extreme range of the lens when mounted on an APS-C body and the shakiness that you get when you mount it on an unstabilized body. This clip, shot with the Sony a7 III with in-body stabilization, is much smoother. Still photography is an area where this lens shines. Here's a great shot of one of the Diana monkeys and a golden-breasted starling. I really love the way it got the eye on that close up. And it got the eye instead of the branch in front of it. Very good job by the autofocus. In conclusion, I think the Tamron lens is a wonderful value. It's half the cost, less than half the cost of its principal competitor, the Sony 70-200 millimeter 2.8 G Master. And unless you need to be able to shoot handheld video with an unstabilized camera body, it's pretty much better in nearly every respect. The Sony has basically four things that you paid twice the money for. Number one, it has image stabilization, and if you don't have a stabilized camera body to attach to, that is a big deal. The other three are, it has an extra 20 millimeters of reach. It also can use teleconverters. Sony makes a teleconverter for it. And finally, it has a tripod mount, tripod collar. You can get tripod collars for the Tamron through third parties, though, so that's kind of mitigated. I found the Tamron to be wonderful for shooting stills, with or without the stabilization. I got some excellent shots with it, and also it's fine for video if you're shooting with a handheld body and are reasonably steady. It's a super all-around lens. Within the limitations of needing some sort of stabilization, if you can work with that, if you get this lens, I think you'll be very happy with it. I'm certainly happy with mine. And if you'd like to see more video that features the Tamron lens, I've got a video up here showing some of the video that I shot at the zoo.